Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Natural Blossoms. Please click on subscribe button and click bell icon and choose the option all for notify our videos regularly. On today's video we are going to see how to do an online admission in Pondicherry University for a year of 2021 to 2022. This video is specially made for Nick Brahma because of he requesting in our comment, bro, can you do it in English? I have searching everywhere for it, but it's all in Tamil. Would you really appreciate it? So we make this video on English. First of all, I want to say that this is my first English video on our channel. If there are any English grammatical mistakes or pronunciation errors, please forgive me for that and make understand what do I say. If you can't understand, please contact me on WhatsApp or comment box. I will reply you on a chat. Please open your browsers and search it as pondiuni.edu.in. This is an official website of Pondicherry University. Now if you are using in mobile version, if you want to do it as a desktop mode, just click on the three dots and choose it as a desktop site. It is easier to use this. Now this page is open. At the right bottom you can see that skip to home page option. Click on it. Then it's open to the main page of an Pondicherry University. Now if you see most of the details and circulars. Now you look at the flash news that admission 2021, the professional selection list, we don't want it. Just click on the next admission 2021 MSc biotechnology, because those departments are previously not announced the results. That's why they do that on today. On clicking next we see that admission 2021. Here we want to click online fee payment for selected candidates enable. Just click on that flash news. Yeah, here the page open. Now you see that online admission and fees payment portal as new. Here we do online admission. Just open the general instructions and read it fully for your further clarifications. Just open this arrow, click it as a download option. It download the PDF file. You can open with the PDF viewer. Now you see the general instruction, just read it down. Here they says a few original documents are required. These required documents should be sent to email. They say that payments are previously shown in prospect, so you refer the prospect for your fees payment on your department. Then here we want to notify important thing that online fees payment prerequisite is, that's a point 1, get the following ready before making online payment. That's what undertaking form. Here that we want this document, so click on that option download. Now that download option make it open that Pondicherry University admission 2021 undertaking form. Please download this form and make it print, then fill it your details and sign your parents. Then again scan it with low resolution. The file size must be less than 2 MB. So just copy, scan it. After finishing that, we move on to HOD or course coordinator email ID. You can see that various courses with their HOD's email ID. Please refer this mail ID to send on after finishing that payments. So you make note it down. The similar way you can click on that arrow and click an option of download. It would open a PDF viewer. You can see that all departments with HOD's mail IDs. So you send your original documents as a scanned copy of PDF file. Then your payment proof. Now okay, that fourth option, login for online admission and fees payment. Just click here, click on login. Here you see the three options, Dean or HOD login, Chief Warden login, and the third one is prospective student login. Here you go to do all the process. Click on the prospective student login. This page is only accessible for those candidates who selected in first selection list. Before doing this process, just refer that selection list, that your names are updated on that selection list. Then here you enter your registration ID as you mentioned in your application or hall ticket as a registration ID. Then enter your date of birth, date, month and year format. Just click on the option of login. It takes a few seconds. Then after it open like this. Again, you want to see in desktop version, just click on desktop site. Here this shows as your personal details like a registration ID, application number, applied course, applied program, then your personal details like father's name, mother name, your gender, date of birth, religions, your address, and many other things you mentioned in application forms. Then what you want to do is click on the three bars on your left side. There you see that a dashboard and fee structure. Click on fee structure. There is an academic fees. Click on that academic fees. Here you see that your program codes. If you are selecting more than 2 or 3 courses, they are also listed below if you are selected. Then if you finalize what you are going to take, then select that course code with pay now. Just click over there. Now you see that course update details that they are asking 2 questions that previously your previous degree at Pondicherry University. If you say if you studied at Pondicherry University, click on yes, or else click on no. Previously we downloaded the undertaken form in general instructions. After you completed that, please scan and upload it here. Here they asking for only PDF allowed, maximum size of 2 MB. Already I am said that the file must be in less than 2 MB, so you can choose the file over here and click on submit. After click on submit, the payment portal bill desk will open. You can pay through online method of credit card or debit card or in net banking methods. After you completing the fees payment, please download that receipt and make it a copy for your further references. After completing all this process, you have to send all your original documents copies to your further department HODs to verify that and complete your admission process. I think I explained the basic steps to do online admission. Please do comments if you have any doubts on this video. I will do reply as soon as possible. Thank you everyone for watching this video. See you all on next video.